Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over the left, the right, and the mid function. So basically what they do is they look at the left or right and they return however many characters are on the left or right, or in the middle. So to get the first 4 letters, we'd go equals left, text, and then 4. So it's going to take the left 4 characters of that cell. Let's just do mid here. Now right is exactly the same thing. Equals right, the source cell, however many characters, close parentheses. And then it just comes up with the last 3 characters that are in this cell. So mid, it's the same concept. You go equals mid, parentheses, and this next digit, well, let's give it some text. So the next digit here is where you want it to start grabbing letters at. So if we say 4, it's going to go over to the 4th letter in this, and then just say 5 and close the parentheses. It'll take the 4th letter and 5 after that. So it goes over to the A, which is the 4th letter, space ROU. So it got 5 characters there. And this is useful when you have information that's organized in a way where it's always the same thing, or the information you're looking for is in the middle of the text there, and you want to do a VLOOKUP or a SUMIF based on that. You can just go in and grab it with the mid or the left or the right, whatever, and then do the SUMIF based on that. So that's how you use the left, mid, and right functions in Excel. Thank you for watching.